Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about a topic which is called as a coefficient of restitution. First of all, we will discuss about the basic definition. What is the coefficient of restitution? Coefficient of restitution is defined as the ratio of velocity of separation to the velocity of approach of the colliding particles. It is called as a coefficient of restitution. It is simply denoted by a symbol small e. In form of a mathematical expression, it is defined as E is equals to V2 minus V1 upon U2 minus U1, where U2 minus U1 is velocity of approach and V2 minus V1 is velocity of separation. Clear? Coefficient of restitution help us to distinguish the different kind of the collisions. In the collisions section, we have already discussed collisions are classified into two categories. Elastic collision, in which momenta and kinetic energy of the system is conserved during collision and after collision, means before collision and the after collision. Inelastic collision, in which momenta remain conserved but kinetic energy does not conserve. It also having a special case which is called as a perfectly inelastic collision. What it means? When the two bodies are colliding with each other, during the time of collision, it gets stick with each other and move with the same velocity. This is a special case of inelastic collision, which is simply called as a perfectly inelastic collision. Now, how one can distinguish the collision of a particle occurred between them, whether it is elastic in nature, whether it is a perfectly inelastic in nature, or whether it is inelastic in nature? How to find? At that time, coefficient of restitution help us to distinguish it. How? If the value of coefficient of restitution is 1, at that time it is called as a elastic collision. Use the value E equals to 1 at the time U2 minus U1 is equals to V2 minus V1. What it is? Recall the derivation of elastic collision in a one dimension. Remember, during the derivation we have reached to a one point. After solving the entire derivation, U2 minus U1 V2 minus equals to V2 minus V1. So that is the case for the elastic collision when E equals to 1. When E equals to 0, now when E equals to 0, denominator term will be 0. It come out to be V2 equals to V1, means both the particle having the same velocity. It is only possible in the case of perfectly inelastic. When the bodies are collide with each other, they stick together and move with the same velocity. That is case of perfectly inelastic collision, means condition come out to be E equals to 0. The value lies between 0 and 1 is stand for the inelastic collision. That means in that way we can classify or distinguish different kinds of the collision with the help of coefficient of restitution. Again, I will revise the definition. Coefficient of restitution is defined as the ratio of velocity of separation to the velocity of approach of the colliding particles. Is called as a coefficient of restitution. If you like the video, hit on the subscribe button and one like please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.